Well, a couple of things I want to show you this morning. Feet don't look too bad. I guess we'll have a look at them, but I'm not going to put you through the whole trim because I guess this is the main thing I wanted you to see. This is what I got here, and we're going to try and see what she's got there, and perhaps this other foot. And something else I wanted to show you was, and I will take my boot off, I guess, and show you what can result from what I call the hind foot stomp through that boot. I'll just switch this off a sec. The hind foot stomp. I guess it's done with the hind foot, and see how this toe is down now? That's when they decide to jam it down on the ground, toe first, with extreme force. It's not going to do it toe first like that. That's when it cops you. So that's what I call the hind foot stomp, and I guess if she brings it down there and it went in that, this wasn't her that did it, but it was a horse called Abby actually. Anyway, back to this other foot here. What do we got here? Good, babe. Bit of stone. I guess that comes from if they want to call it white line disease. In sheep they call it shelling. And I guess there's a bit of mechanical force, which is probably more than anything else that caused that. Tiny frogs, eh? But they're not rotten, which is good. See if we can clean that up. Well, that's not doing any good there at all, so that can all come off, hey? Take this off here. Nasty. Not a pretty looking foot, is it? Steady, babe. Wow. Let's have a look. Turn the top down. Put that over that way a bit, chicken. Put this one up here. That's it, go. Steady now. Right. Right, I got some stuff to treat that with. Look at Donny. Anti-mud. A bit like putty doing windows actually. Steady boat, someone coming. It's all muddied up now. Put it down. That's a bit of a 4-foot stomp. Don't get too anxious with us yet. Yeah. I guess that is all I wanted to show you, because the other feed will be better. This one probably. Just look. Pick him up on. Come on. Come on. Pick him up. Come on. That's it. That's it. Last one's nowhere near as bad as that one there. A little bit there, but that's about it. Back ones should be good. So I'll go and do that now. I'll see you on the next exciting episode of Horsingabout with my girls here, see if I can get any more injuries. I hope everybody is well, even those that have tested positive to this so-called virus that's going around are well, most of them. Unfortunate for those that have passed away. I guess it'll all sort itself in the wash, but the world ain't what it used to be, is it? These guys, not worrying them at all. Anyway, all the best out there in YouTube land, and we'll catch you next time around, won't we, Donny? Come up here. Come up here, my boy. Come on. Say goodbye to all the YouTubers. You're going to eat the hoof, are you? Guess what? Here. Here. Say goodbye to everyone up there. That's a quick up here. Bye, everybody.